Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 20 stocks including Shree Cement, TCS, Havels, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Bhansali Engineering Polymers Limited BEPL share is trading around rupees 119. Company announced a board meeting on 16th January 2024 to declare dividend and to announce Q3. Havels India Limited share is trading around rupees 1532. Company announced a board meeting on 16th January 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q3. Record date for the dividend is already released, that is 22nd January 2025. PCBL Limited, PCBL, current market price rupees 352. Company announced a dividend of rupees 5.5 per each share. Record date for the dividend is fixed as 16th January 2025. JBM Auto Limited, JBMA, current market price rupees 1404. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 100 shares of JBM Auto, your 100 shares convert to 200 shares. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 31st January 2025. Shree Cement Limited, Shree Sem, current market price rupees 24,874. Company announced a board meeting on 13th January 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q3. Mohit Industries Limited, Mohit Ind, current market price rupees 35. Mohit Industries announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 1000 shares of Mohit Industries, your 1000 shares convert to 10,000 shares. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 31st January 2025. Page Industries Limited, Page Int, current market price rupees 45,912. Page Industries also announced a board meeting on 5th February 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q3. Tata Consultancy Services Limited, TCS, share is trading around rupees 4,291. Company announced a dividend of rupees 76 per each share. Record date for the dividend is fixed as 17th January 2025. Mazda Limited, Mazda, share is trading around rupees 1,773. Mazda announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 18th January 2025. Kitex Garments Limited, Kitex, current market price rupees 712. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 2:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Kitex Garments, you will get another 200 shares as bonus. So total you will have 300 shares. Record date for the bonus is fixed as 17th January 2025. Arun Jyoti Bio Ventures Limited, current market price rupees 175. This company also announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. 17th January is fixed as the record date for the stock split. Pradhin Limited, current market price rupees 28. Company announced a board meeting on 17th January 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is bonus and stock split. KEI Industries Limited, KEI, current market price rupees 3,994. Company announced a board meeting on 20th February 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q3. Blue Cloud Softex Solutions Limited, current market price rupees 88. This company also announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 20th January 2025. BN Rathi Securities Limited, current market price rupees 238. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:1 and announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. Record date for the bonus and stock split is fixed as 24th January 2025. Upcoming IPOs. Lakshmi Dental Limited, face value rupees 2 per share, price band rupees 407 to 428, lot size 33 shares, IPO opens on 13th January and closes on 15th January 2025. Base of allotment 16th January, initiation of funds 17th January, credit of shares to demat account 17th January, and listing date of Lakshmi Dental Limited is fixed as 20th January 2025. Lakshmi Dental Limited. Incorporated in July 2004, Lakshmi Dental Limited is an integrated dental products company. The company offers custom crowns and bridges branded dental items like clear aligners and thermoforming sheets, align related products as part of its aligner solutions and pediatric dental products. Their product portfolio includes custom crowns and bridges, clear aligners, thermoforming sheets, pediatric dental products, and more. The company offers thermoforming sheets, biocompatible 3D printing resins, and machines for manufacturing clear aligners under the brand name Tagless. The company operates a fully integrated model, meaning they handle the entire process from design and manufacturing to distribution of dental products. As of September 30, 2024, the company has 6 manufacturing facilities, 3 in Mira Road, Mumbai, 2 in Biosar, and 1 in Kochi, along with 5 supporting facilities in Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, and Ahmedabad. As of September 30, 2024, the company's dental network includes over 22,000 clinics and dentists across more than 320 cities nationwide. This is the balance sheet of Lakshmi Dental Limited for the last 3 years. All the amounts are in crores. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.